Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be sharing some of my most favorite timeless pieces that I own, and these are the must-have items I believe everyone should have in their wardrobe. My review would be based on me using those products for some time, most of them, and I can also tell you how they perform after a wash, how long lasting they are, and how well you can style them on many different occasions. So stay tuned. Most of the items I'll be showing today are from Oak+Fort, Dynamite, Aritzia, these brands. Every time I see one of these packages in my mailroom, it makes me so happy. Don't need to explain. You guys know the feeling. So I'll be showing you one by one. Most of my clothing are very basic and very neutral in color because it's been a while that I don't wear too many bright colors. Not because I don't like it. I sometimes like bright colors, but when I try them on, I don't feel confident enough to, wear it. So I ended up not buying too many bold colors. It's all basic, and also I like to repeat my outfits a lot. I always go for items which I believe I can at least style in 3 different ways. So basically that's about my style. So let me start showing you. As you can tell, most of my colors are white, brown, beige, sometimes light pink, light blue, gray, and black for sure. So if you love these colors, because these are very effortless and easy to style, never goes wrong. Let's start with the contour collections by Aritzia. So these are by the Babaton. The bodysuits, my favorite one is this one. It's a bodysuit. This color is the best. This neck is a little low, which I don't really like, but the fit is amazing. So I bought this a while ago and I bought an extra small, but this runs a little small on me now. So right now I'm more comfortable wearing the medium one from their contour collection, but this one still fits me. So for reference, I'm 5'2", and most of my contour collection before was the size extra small. Now it's not extra small. Maybe the sizing that has changed a bit, but for now it's small or sometimes medium, depending on what kind of product I'm buying. Also I have the same bodysuit in black. On camera it's not visible, but it's like a very nice jet black color. It's also an extra small. Even though both of these are extra small, but I feel like the black one is bigger than this extra small. I don't know why. Maybe because of the color, the fabric has, become a little different in terms of stretch. So these 3 colors. Also the white one I'll show you as well. There's also contour, but this is not a bodysuit. It's a heater white. So basically I never buy the bright white one because I feel like this color is more suitable, more sober, and also easy to maintain than the bright white. Then I also have this brown. This goes nice with a tank top or a sports bra. Nice mocha brown. So these four that I've shown you are like basic bodysuit and long sleeve t-shirts that I love, but these are the ones I bought a while ago, but you still can have them because they're still making these, and I believe these would be available for a while. Some contour collection I bought is this gray one, and this time I bought a small. This one is a lot longer in length, it's like a hip length. Ones were a little short. These are some recent purchases. So these are by, okay, I still have the tags on. Okay, these are not contour, these are like the seamless willow hip. They look like this, but I wouldn't recommend these collections because honestly the contour collection is a lot better because they have double fabric lining and stitching is seamless. But this one, you can see the stitches everywhere. Basically I bought 3 of them and they were final sale this time. I got this pink, this brown, and this one. But honestly I might just end up wearing them at home because these were not something I was expecting because I bought online. I didn't know they were like so thin. They're not see-through, but don't snatch you the way contour line does. The colors are nice, the fabric is okay, but not as good as my previous purchase. But what I really love from my recent purchases are these tank tops. I only got the light gray and the black one. These are by their golden line. I got the size small. They look very basic like that, but when you try them on, when you wear them, they're really nice. After skims, I would say you can have these ones, really nice, and the fabric is a little heavy, which I prefer. I only got this color and this color. Alright, and then got this matching set. It's also by Golden. Aritzia. It's a size small. It's a zip up. It has pockets with chains, and the fit is really good. The fabric is double lined, and it has a thumb hole too, like that. The thumb hole is really important for me. I always want thumb hole in my zip up. With this, I got the flared leggings. I got a size 6, so 6 fits me really well. These have flared straight cut leggings. They don't really look very flattering on me. For my height, I definitely want to look taller, so flared ones do the job well. And leggings, I also got a black one, exactly same. Okay, so the black one, I couldn't find a size 6, so I got a size 8, which I wouldn't have known it would fit me if I didn't try them on. But I bought this one from store and I tried them on, and the 8 still fits. I mean the waistline is better for the size 6, but 8 also fits, like I can still wear it. But I got both of them on sale, probably 78, and I got them for like 38. And from my old purchase, I do have this one shoulder. It's a crop top. It's also by Babaton. It's a size small. It's good to pair up with. You can wear it on its own, or sometimes you can pair it up with other top and style in different ways. And by Wilfred, this is like a semi-sheer brown shirt. It's like a regular slim fit long shirt. It's ravish top, and it's a heater charcoal shade, off shoulder half sleeve. It's like an off shoulder top, but I'll show you when I try them on. As well as got this light birch color. This is also like the ravish top, but like the full sleeve one. It's also a bodysuit style. I got them, well, they were having the last piece. I got them in large. They might be a little big on me. I will have to try them on, but these were the last pieces. I didn't want to, you know, miss the chance of getting this. So because most likely the pieces they have on sale and not restocking, or the ones they won't bring back anymore. So just wanted to get even the bigger size, but I can always alter them. I also got the effortless pants. You'll know about it. I got the linen, and the size was, I believe it was, okay, it was a size 2. It was a size 2, but the length was a little long unless I wear heels. I wanted to have a basic sweater, so I got the Sunday Best, their classic white sweater. This one I got the double extra small, still too baggy, but that's the baggy, so that's the style. There are more. I still have many other purchases from them, but these were like from previous years, so wouldn't really show them on camera right now. Let me show you the other things which are from Dynamite. So after having all those neutral colors, I wanted to add a little color to my wardrobe. So I went to Dynamite and I saw they were having some good deals, so I grabbed some bodysuits from them. These are all like these. All of them are, so 3 of them are full sleeve, 2 of them are like half sleeve. They're all bodysuits. Their fabric is nice. It's not as double lined as the Contour collection, but still pretty nice. So I got this blue, I got this dark gray, also this bright or dark green, and for the half sleeve I got a dark blue and also a black one. So this one is like half sleeve basic t-shirts, these 2, and these are full sleeves. These are very comfortable, wash as well. I haven't tried this one on yet, but I've definitely worn these 4 and washed them. The fabric is, it's not gonna change, so yeah. So I've got this, it's a skirt, formal skirt. Skirt has a little slit on the side. Yep, so I got a size 0, which is the smallest. It's a really nice classy skirt. You can also wear it to your formal occasions, and the color is a really nice brown. Hope you liked today's video. I'll be trying them on and show you my upcoming video, and also let me know if you have any favorites or anything you would like to see. Bye.